Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to compare the OnePlus N6 versus OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite device. Which phone is really the best option to buy right now? So I'm getting so many comments on this comparison as well. So let's compare and let's see which phone makes a lot of sense to buy. And at this moment, the OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite is available in the Amazon website for about 25,999 rupees, as you can see. And there is also bank offer going on at this moment, so you can buy for about 24,499 rupees. That is what the price for the OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite. And the OnePlus N6, which is going to get released very soon on June 30th. So the overall, we got to know few specifications about the device. So let's compare based on the specifications with the OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite. So first thing is that regarding the design. The design of this phone looks definitely premium design, as you can see. So which is something unique than when you compare with the OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite. This design is definitely pretty good and looks completely premium, close to OnePlus Nord 6 and a couple of other phones as well. So that's one thing which I did observe. And next, the change is regarding the battery. So in the OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite, there is 7000 mAh of battery capacity, so which has been upgraded to the 8000 mAh of battery capacity in the OnePlus N6. So definitely more battery is definitely a good option to buy. And with the same kind of fast charger of 45 watts. So same 45 watts is available fast charging, and 6 years of battery health is also available between the both phones. So same kind of options are there regarding the charging speed, but the battery is slightly higher in the OnePlus N6 device. So that is the first reason why the OnePlus N6 might be the better option when you compare with the OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite. And rest of the things are right now not sure about the specifications, but we can actually expect similar kind of processor, Dimensity processor. So with a similar chipset of like Dimensity 7400 super processor might be present in this device, in the OnePlus N6 device. That's what we can actually expect. So all with a similar 144Hz refresh rate display, but there might be OLED panel. So that's something you should know about. And even the camera setup, also similar kind of camera setup can be also found as well. So overall, this is a quick comparison, but if you want more battery backup and if you want slightly OLED display, the OnePlus N6 might be the better option. So that's what I do feel. And if they include the wide angle lens also, that's a good additional benefit in this OnePlus N6 device. And they did add the vapor chamber at this moment. As you can see in this segment, this is the kind of largest, that's what I did mention. So maybe for the gaming, it might be really helpful to keep the cool temperatures. So regarding the design and regarding the battery, now the OnePlus N6 has got two advantages, okay, when you compare with the OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite. But regarding the price, what about the price of the OnePlus N6? So price is expected somewhere around close to starting price might be slightly higher. So we are expecting like 28,999. That is what the price can be there for the OnePlus N6 device. So definitely this phone will be priced in such a way that it should be like between OnePlus Nord CE6 and the OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite. Like in this price range, it will be there. Even this phone has got pretty good specifications, OnePlus Nord CE6, as you can see. So same kind of AMOLED display, 8000 mAh of battery is there. Snapdragon 700 Gen 4 chipset, and durability wise also really good. Everything is good, and the starting price right